Hello teaching friends, I am teacher Stephanie, and in today's video we are going to be talking about summer class ideas and teaching tips for OutSchool. I know that we are just starting to feel like spring, at least we are here in Utah, but as an OutSchool teacher, the time is now to prepare for summer classes and your summer schedule. In this video, I will give you some summer class ideas to teach with OutSchool. I will also teach you about the different types of camps and how to offer them on the platform. Then we will provide you tips for getting more summer enrollments this year. Without further ado, let's get started. Like I said, today we are talking about summer class ideas and tips for teaching on OutSchool. If you don't know what OutSchool is, what are you doing? Watch this video and I will explain the platform is, how it works, how you get paid. OutSchool is an amazing platform for online teachers to teach what they want, when they want, for the price they want. If you want to apply, I will leave my referral link down in the description box. If you use my code, send me an email saying that you used my code, my link, and I can answer any questions that you have, look over your application, and send you all of my free resources to help get you hired quickly and on to teaching this summer. Now, let's talk about summer class ideas and tips on OutSchool. Okay, first, I would love to give you a big list of class ideas to teach this summer. A lot of friends tell me that they would love to teach with OutSchool, but they don't know what they want to teach. Or maybe you are an existing teacher and you are looking to shake up your normal routine of what you teach, what's on your schedule. Here are a few summer class ideas to add to your OutSchool profile. First, let's talk about summer hobbies. It could be swimming, sports training, the Olympic Games. How about summer cooking, grilling, those kinds of things? Now let's talk about holidays. Look over the holidays that are coming up. I will put a picture here so that you can see some of them this summer. Some of them are fun, some of them are national holidays. Look at those that stand out to you and think about what you would like to teach and teach those kids on and celebrate with them in kind of a fun club to celebrate a fun day, because why not? Another focus could be science-specific courses like gardening, flowers, the changing weather, summer around the world, vacation spots, a geography study. And the last category is avoiding the summer slump, the back to school and academic categories. So it could be academic review of the school year or subject. It could be a course review. It could be school organization, like using a planner, or even tips like easy hairstyles to learn this summer to do back to school. Now, those are my class ideas for this summer. Did any of these stand out to you? Are you looking for help in planning one of these classes or more of these topics? Now, I offer a custom planning service where I plan it all out for you. All of my plans include a class listing form to copy and paste for approval in the OutSchool platform. It has a class listing picture and a PDF plan of learning activities and pacing it all. This all starts with a 30-minute one-on-one consultation with me to discuss these ideas, to talk about what you want to teach, and to really make it a great class. You can schedule a consultation using my link in the description box. I'm so excited to get this lesson plan to you so you can start teaching this summer. Now, the next thing I wanted to teach you in this video is about the different types of camps and how to offer them on the OutSchool platform. Now, let's talk about camps on OutSchool. There are two different types in 2021, multi-day and ongoing. So the multi-day camps, you're going to see a significant growth in families enrolling in multi-day camps to provide an accelerated learning experience in helping their learners build new skills. They want to do this faster. Now, to have classes listed on the summer camps page, your class must meet the following requirements. You must meet 2 or more times within 1 week. It could be more. The total duration can be up to 8 weeks, but they suggest just 1 or 2 week camps. Those are the most popular. The class must meet live in format, so no flex classes here, and the sections must start between May and August 2021. Also, add the word camp or club to your class title so parents know what they're signing up for and they know it's a camp or a club. Now, ongoing classes. More families are subscribing to weekly ongoing classes. If you don't know what the difference is between an ongoing class and a multi-day class, I will leave a video here. You can click it up at the top. It teaches you all about the different class types within OutSchool. There are 4 class types. We'll go over multi-day, ongoing, one-time, and flex classes so that you really know the difference between what a multi-day class is and what those classes would look like, and what an ongoing class is and what it means when parents are subscribing to your class. Now, back to ongoing classes. Parents really like this format because they only need to enroll once and they don't have to worry about showing up and scheduling again. As for educators, as for the teachers, ongoing classes are a great opportunity to make your earnings more predictable. And you can build longer term relationships with those students instead of finding new learners to take your classes. And new for 2021, the ongoing classes can be listed as camps now as well. So make sure you're doing that with your ongoing classes too. Now let me give you some tips for getting more summer enrollments this year. Here are 4 tips for getting your summer enrollments. First, use the word camp in your class title. Put the word camp in the course description and it will increase the interest in your summer classes and it will be promoted on OutSchool starting April 10th. Tip number 2 is to schedule sections that start in May and go through July. These are peak times for summer camps. Scheduling during these months can improve your chances for showing up in OutSchool's search results. Point number 3 is to offer multiple start dates and times. They recommend about 3 or more available sections per class for the best parent response. Try mornings, try afternoons, try evenings, experiment with the times to see where you're getting the most enrollments. And the last tip comes right from OutSchool themselves. They say experiment with themes. Incorporate skill building or summer themes into your class titles and descriptions, like Finance Fun Camp, How to Use Money Saving, Investing, Giving, or Science in the Kitchen, Camp Cook-alongs 2021. So let me know about your summer classes or which ideas you would like to teach in the comments section. I'd love to know if any of these tips were helpful to you. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to see who I interview as an expert in the next online teacher talk, which is the video next week. If you want to learn more about finding the fun with online teaching, check out these awesome videos on the screen. As my hero, Mr. Rogers, says, let's make the most of this beautiful day. I'll see you in the classroom. Goodbye.